a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey lovers, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty, and I am coming back with another video. Today's video is obviously going to be another wig review, so if you are interested in that, then please continue to watch. But before we get into that, I want to say, if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you haven't already, make sure to like this video so you can see more videos like this. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. Now, let's get into this wig. Okay, y'all, so in these sorts of videos, I love to give subscriber shout-outs. And the subscriber shout-outs are just to show you guys how much I appreciate all the love and support you have been showing me, and to just show my love back to you. The subscriber shout-out today is going to be to my girl, Quanda Wright. And hopefully I haven't already given you a subscriber shout out. Some people's names I just see often, and I may rewrite their names down, okay? So I want to go ahead and give you a shout out, boo. Even if it is a second shout out, you deserve it. I truly do appreciate your love and support. I can't tell you enough how much I do. And yeah, if you guys want a subscriber shout out, just make sure to like the video, comment, even if it's just a heart or something down below. It does help with the algorithm and all that good stuff. So do that and you will get a subscriber shout out as well. Now we can really get into this wig. Alright honey, so you guys know when it's a wig that I caught with my own coins, I like to give myself a shout out, okay? So shout out to Chrissy for copying this unit with her own coins, girl, okay? Shout out to you, boo, you doing the darn thing. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking is by Outre, and honey, Outre has just taken over for me. You know, I used to be a sensational girl, but okay, Outre has definitely taken over. So shout out to you, Outre. Okay, you need a little shout out yourself. So the unit that I am wearing is from their Perfect Hairline collection. It is a 13 by 6 unit. It is in the style Dominica, and I have it in the color DRFF Ginger Mahogany. This unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees, and it does come with transparent lace. Girl, did you hear me? Did you hear me, sis? It came with a transparent lace, honey. HD lace. Shout out to you, Outre. So on the inside of the card, it does say fully hand-tied 13 by 6 frontal ear-to-ear soft HD lace, natural baby hair. Child, you know they be... natural baby hairs, comes with a pre-attached elastic band, pre-plucked hairline, heat styling friendly. And yeah, and on the back it has the special colors. So this is what old girl looks like on the stock card, and it's kind of showing you guys this in a middle part, a middle part, a side part, a side part, a middle part, and in an updo. Child, I can't, you know, that's reverse when you're looking in the camera. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. And yeah, it's just kind of showing you guys that you have those sort of options. On the middle, in the middle, it's just kind of showing you the same thing, as well as the back on the other side. And on the very back, it's just showing you guys the special colors. Okay, so as far as construction with this wig, it does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, as well as the elastic band. When it comes to elastic bands, I always call the elastic band the glueless band, okay? So it did come with that as well. As far as shedding and tangling, now honey, I'm gonna keep it a whole buck with you. I ain't put my fingers through this wig a lot, okay? I wasn't trying to mess up my curls. I don't know about you or how you feel about your wig, but when it comes to me, I don't be liking to mess up my curls, honey. I did a little floof in here. What's floofing, child? I did a little fluff in here, a little fluff in there, and a little separating. But that was it, okay? So I don't know how tangly this wig is, but it is a curly unit, so I expect it to be a little tangly, like, in my opinion. When I was running my fingers through the curls, you know, I would hit a snag here and there, but like I said, I didn't just kind of go through it like super crazy, so I don't know for sure. In my opinion, I wouldn't advise you to either when you first get it. Maybe at some point, yeah, straight out of packaging, no. As far as shedding, I haven't noticed any shedding. That's not to say at some point old girl won't do any other things. let's just say straight out the packaging, she's not doing any other things. So yeah, that is basically it. Other than the fact that it is a big head friendly, in my opinion. Chuck, can you talk today? What is going on? In my opinion, this unit is a big head friendly because I did have to adjust the straps, and when I have to adjust the straps, I deem a unit to be big head friendly. But honey, do with that what you want to do with it, because I'm an average cap size. Now I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch me apply this unit and style it, and then we will come back with the pros and cons.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do.
Alright girls, so what are the pros and cons of this unit? We will start with the cons because honey, I like to get the bad out the way. I like to end on a positive note if I can, okay? So the cons of this unit, in my opinion, is the fact that it is gonna get tangly at some point. Like, I'm not gonna hold you, sis. I know at some point this unit is definitely going to be tangly. Especially depending on how you care for her. Like, if you're like me, and I'm somebody that struggles with the upkeep of units. So if you're like me, then honey, it's definitely gonna tangle. It's gonna tangle pretty soon. So I think that is probably my only con as far as this particular unit. As far as the pros go, honey, I feel like the pros are endless. I do. I feel like the hairline is phenomenal. Okay, because if you watch me, then you know I can struggle with some brown lace. Okay, the brown lace just doesn't blend the same way as transparent lace does for me. Not to say for you, so that's a me problem, not a you problem, unless you're my shade or lighter. But that is an issue for me. So the fact that this unit just blends effortlessly, like girl, look at her, okay? She is amazing. So that is a plus. I did also feel like it was pre-tweezed, and it was pre-tweezed nicely. You guys know me, I don't like to tweeze if I ain't got to, because I ain't the best at it. I like the fullness of it, the curls, the style. Like honey, like they did that, okay, with that. So those are the pros in my book, okay? And even as far as the parting space, pro, okay, those are the pros for me. So yeah. Now, would I recommend this wig? I got a comment by somebody, and I swear I laughed so hard because my husband says this to me all the time. The comment was, do you like anything? Do you like anything, girl? Okay. I laughed so hard when I saw that comment. Like, I was looking for it the other day, and sometimes I get notifications for things, and sometimes I don't. But I couldn't find the comment, but I laughed so hard. And y'all, I like this one. She's a look. She's a vibe. She's big. She's full. I love her. Y'all, my tongue is green because I was eating gummy worms. Don't judge me. But yeah, I love this unit. I would definitely recommend it. I'm not sure how much she costs. I'm pretty sure she's a pretty coin, because when it comes to the HD lace and the perfect hairlines and all that stuff from Outre, honey, they be a pretty coin. But I honestly feel like she's worth it. I think she's a look. I think she's a vibe. The only con I had is just the longevity of it. But if you know what you're doing and you do it right, you ain't even gotta worry about that. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this unit. Yeah. Alright, honey, let's get into this full 360 and this lint check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, girl, let me know what you think. Let me know if you're feeling her like I'm feeling her. Let me know down below. I know a lot of you guys will say like you love units that you don't have to do baby hairs with, and you don't like my extra baby hairs, my immature baby hairs, and y'all, I'm not gonna lie to you, your girl is gonna be immature as long as I can be immature, honey. No Marcus Houston, okay? So yeah, I am feeling it. Let me know down below what you guys think. I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. If you're not subscribed, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Health Missy on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me.